Alright guys, so we have this 2019 Veloster. We removed the headlights just to kind of show you a little bit better how to install it. The low beams are H7s. These are just simple, twist off. Alright, for this one we have a special made bulb that it's called our Pro Series HK6. As you can see, it's a custom made adapter. It's a simple plug and play. That's all it is. Everything back on. Dust cover goes back on. Doesn't interfere with it whatsoever. Alright, so this right here is what the customer brought to us. I'll show you. So they bought regular universal H7s. Pretty much what keeps it in place from moving around is the actual cap. He put this type of foam to kind of give it pressure, some tension on the bulb. But as you can tell, is not secure. So we don't recommend this whatsoever. It could cause to burn the headlights and possibly burn the vehicle. We do not recommend this whatsoever. That's the reason why we actually made our custom made bulb. I'll show you right now. This is something universal that you could buy on eBay, Amazon. And then this here is our custom made bulb that we actually made just for these type of headlights. So everything's built in, one unit, all secure. I'll show you right now. That's all it is. As you can tell, there's no play whatsoever. Simply just insert it and put this down there. Everything fits snug. Dust cover back on. You're ready to go. Alright, so now we're going to be doing the high beams. The customer already had LEDs in the high beams, so we don't have the original bulb to remove, but it's a similar process. Twist, counterclockwise. We're going to be installing our LA Plus 9005s. That's all it is. Twist clockwise. That's all it is. Cover back on. Ready to go.
Alright, so now that we've done the high and low beams, we're going to move on to our turn signals. So we're going to go ahead and reach down into here. Turn signal is very, very accessible. So all you got to do is just open the chamber once again. Just gently pull it out. And as you can tell, halogen right over here. So all you got to do, twist and pull out. So now that we have those old halogens out, we're going to go ahead and grab Lasfit's LED turn signals. So now that we have these, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing you did to pull it out. Push and twist. There you go. Then you're gonna take your bulbs, slide them back in. Make sure your chamber is fully secured. Just like that, LED turn signals.
Turn signal. Good.
Alright, so a couple things. As soon as I installed the Lasfit bulbs, both high, low, and turn signal bulbs, I noticed an immediate difference. So as you can tell from the headlights, they're already brighter, and turn signals are substantially brighter. So that's the first thing I noticed. And also, high beams are substantially brighter. And not only was the quality of the product very high end, the installing of those products are actually very simple where anybody can do it. You don't need to take off anything. It's just direct, true plug and play. So thank you guys, thank you to Lasfit for making great products.